In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer to Payhip. As you may know, Payhip is an excellent platform for selling digital products and services, but it doesn't support direct integration with Payoneer. So we need to find a workaround by using supported payment processors like Stripe or PayPal. To get started, head over to your Payhip dashboard. This is your control center where you manage all your products, sales, and account settings. Once you're on the homepage of your Payhip account, the next step is to locate the Account section. This will usually be found in the top navigation bar. Go ahead and give that a click. Now that you're in the Account section, you want to look for the Settings option. This is where you can customize and configure various aspects of your Payhip account. Click on Settings and you'll be taken to a new page where you can adjust your account preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Payment Details. This section is crucial because it's where you configure how you receive the payments from your customers. Unfortunately, as I mentioned earlier, Payhip doesn't connect directly with Payoneer. Instead, it integrates with other platforms like Stripe and PayPal, which you can then connect to your Payoneer account. To proceed, you will need to ensure that you have either a Stripe or PayPal account. If you haven't set up one yet, you'll need to do so. Once you have your Stripe or PayPal account ready, return to the Payment Details section on Payhip. Here, you'll find options to connect your Stripe or PayPal account. Select the payment processor you intend to use and follow the on-screen instructions to link it with your Payhip account. This process usually involves authorizing Payhip to access your payment processor account, which is a standard security procedure to ensure your financial information is protected. After successfully linking your Stripe or PayPal account, you can then connect these accounts to your Payoneer account. To do this, log into your Stripe or PayPal account and look for the option to add a bank account. You will input your Payoneer bank details here. Payoneer typically provides you with a virtual bank account, which you can use for this purpose. By following these steps, you'll essentially create a bridge that allows payments from Payhip to flow through Stripe or PayPal and eventually into your Payoneer account. This method ensures you can still utilize Payhip for your business needs while leveraging Payoneer's financial services. And there you have it. You've now set up your Payoneer account to receive payments from Payhip indirectly. This workaround allows you to keep using Payhip while enjoying the benefits of Payoneer. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the setup process, feel free to reach out for more help in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy selling.